Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Mini Cooper key fob. You're going to need a small flat tip screwdriver. The importance is that you want this to be as thin as possible. And you're also going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. On this back side here, this is the piece that's going to be coming up. And you can see right here, this has already been damaged a little bit from previous. So right under here is kind of where you want to put your screwdriver. Pry under there, and then pop that up like that. Okay, now you can just go ahead and press this button, remove your mechanical key, and just use that to pop this back hatch off. Now take your screwdriver, stick it behind this right here, pop out your dead battery. Take your new battery, place it this side in first, press it down firmly, pop that back in there, put your key back in. And one other thing, you can also remove this if you want to clean, or there sell replacement parts for this as well. And then you want to put your back clip back on, and you're all set. There is no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.